Hello everyone, welcome back to another math tutorial. Today we're learning about graph transformations. Graph transformations are ways of changing the position or shape of a graph by applying certain rules. These include translations, reflections, stretches, and compressions. First, let's talk about translations. A translation shifts the graph without changing its shape. For example, if we take y equals f of x and transform it to y equals f of x plus 2, the whole graph moves up by 2 units. If we write y equals f of open bracket x minus 3 close bracket, the graph shifts right by 3 units. Next, reflections. Reflection means flipping the graph across an axis. For example, y equals negative f of x reflects the graph in the x-axis, while y equals f of negative x reflects the graph in the y-axis. Now let's look at stretches and compressions. A vertical stretch happens when we multiply the function by a constant. For example, u equals 2f of x makes the graph twice as tall. A vertical compression happens when we multiply by a number between 0 and 1. For example, y equals 0.5 f of x makes the graph half the height. Similarly, horizontal stretches and compressions change the graph along the x-axis. For example, y equals f of 2x compresses the graph horizontally by a factor of 2. Let's see a quick summary with examples. Translation y equals f of x plus k moves the graph up or down. I equals f of x minus a moves the graph left or right. Reflection. Y equals negative f of x flips in the x-axis. I equals f of negative x flips in the y-axis. Stretch or compression. Y equals af of x for vertical changes. I equals f of bx for horizontal changes. So to decide the effect, just look carefully at how the function is changed. And that's your introduction to graph transformations. Practice with different equations like parabolas or sine graphs, and you'll master these transformations in no time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more math tutorials. See you in the next video.